Alright guys, so I haven't made a video in a long time. Minute 240. We're about to go to Carmax to get the 240 appraised just to see how much it's worth. I'm not expecting much, probably like 300 at most, but we're gonna see. So I forgot to record that. I arrived here a little while ago and I'm waiting to be helped, so I'm just walking the front line right now. But I don't know how much I can record. I'm gonna try to get a couple videos, but look at this. Nice. Look at this thing for. Nice.
Disclosures, is it salvaged?
No.
Do you have engine modifications?
Stock. It's stock. I'm expecting 3,000.
I already told you when we were walking over here, if you get 3,000, I will give you 3,000.
I'm trying to put a down payment on a Corvette.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I didn't record much while I was out there, but I made it home, and the offer was pretty crazy. Hoping for 300, but we got a big old fat $100. Look at all this. Apparently have frame damage, noise detected. She healthy. She healthy. Hood needs repair. Okay. Trunk lid rusted. Nah. It's solid. That's crazy. My odometer's not working. Missing rear seats. You can still sit back there. Ridiculous. So now we know 240 is only worth $100 to Carmax. But thanks for staying this long into the video. I just want to say, huge update on the channel. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I haven't posted in a while, but I got a whole bunch of videos that I recorded. Just been super lazy to edit them. Huge update on all the cars. Some good news, some bad news. You guys will see in the next couple videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Drop some comments what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see something specific, let me know. If you guys want to see me order some certain parts, let me know. Some reviews, I can do that too. But don't forget to stay tuned with the builds. Peace.